We are Akshayani's parents. She bagged this year the gold award in science and English, and we are overwhelmed, and we are very happy, and we are very proud of her. She worked hard for it. It was first level and then second level, so for both the levels she worked equally hard, and both the levels she got the gold medal as well. So, double happiness for us. We came across Silver Zone as an Olympiad because we felt it is quite encompassing in terms of all the subjects that it caters to. And she goes to an IB school, which is not into the CBSE or the ICSE kind of learning. So we wanted to also understand her level of learning as far as the traditional studies also goes. And Silver Zone and all these Olympiads, they provide us with a number which helps us.
Just two things I would like to add here is we all talk about experiential learning, but in the era of gamification, I think competitions like Silver Zone, it really helps you gauge and evaluate the child, and also it gives the competitive spirit to the child, not just on sports but in academics and subject where they work hard, they persevere over the month. And this competition being in levels, they really take time and put all the hard work, plan their studies so that they can really complete the curriculum, practice, and then shine through in the exams.
It was very interactive. It was very easy for us to give us those material, and specifically the science and English were so good. I never had to ask her to go sit and study for Olympiad. She would just take the chapters and she would start working on it. There were comprehensive materials which was given along with the papers. So we went through those materials first, and then she started just answering those questions. So for me it was very easy because she was doing it herself. I didn't have to actually push her doing either science or maths or English. So it was very good materials. The materials which we are getting from the website, Silver Zone website, we actually bought them and we went through them. She went through all the books. We went through the comprehensive material first, and then we solved all the questions. So it was easy for her to understand first the material and then understand how much she's actually getting all those points. And then those practice tests, the last year question papers, they were also very helpful, which we downloaded from the website also.
It's not one time journey है, एक बार का एग्जाम नहीं है, ये कोई लाइफ का एग्जाम नहीं है. आपके 1 से लेके 12 तक के हर साल आपके एग्जाम हो रहे हैं, मल्टीपल लेवल्स में हो रहे हैं. तो आप हर साल अपनी प्रोग्रेस मैप कर सकते हो. यदि इस साल आपके थोड़े नंबर कम आए तो आपको पता है कि मैंने इतनी कोशिश की, और क्योंकि अब ऑनलाइन हो गया है पूरा कोर्स और एग्ज़ाम भी, तो आपको पता है, आप जो है समझ सकते हैं कि बच्चे ने कितना किया. रिजल्ट जो स्कोर कार्ड आते हैं वो भी काफ़ी डिटेल आते हैं, तो आपको पता है कहाँ चूक रह गई, कौन से सेक्शन में कमी है. तो आप अगले बार के एग्ज़ाम में फिर उतनी मेहनत करके, और सबसे ज़्यादा है कि आप लर्निंग को एंजॉय करें. यदि आपको पता है कि ये कोर्स मुझे दिया है, मैं अपनी स्कूल में जो पढ़ रही हूँ या पढ़ रहा हूँ उसको यदि मैं घर आके रोज़ प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ और रोज़ थोड़ा टाइम उसको स्पेंड कर रही हूँ एक मज़ेदार तरीके में या थोड़ा उसमें समय देते हुए, तो प्रैक्टिस रोज़ एक रूटीन बना के पढ़ना ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है बजाय कि उसके नंबर्स का आंकलन जो है सिर्फ आखिरी में होता है. पर जो पूरी एक जर्नी है साल भर की बच्चे की तैयारी, वो उसको आगे एक सक्सेसफुल बच्चा बनने में मदद करती है.
Thank you for having us here. We had a lovely time. She had a lovely time, and we'll always keep this memory cherished with us.